After 6 years, the reMarkable 2 is officially reaching the end of its run. As of May 6, 2026, reMarkable has discontinued one of the most popular e-ink writing tablets ever made, and stepping in as its replacement is the brand new Paper Pure. But instead of completely reinventing the experience, reMarkable seems focused on refining the exact things people already loved about the reMarkable 2. The company says existing reMarkable 2 owners will still continue receiving software and accessory support, but once current retail stock disappears, the Paper Pure officially becomes reMarkable's new baseline black and white writing tablet. Starting with the design and build, the contrast between these two devices is immediately noticeable. The reMarkable 2 is defined by its incredibly thin 4.7mm aluminum chassis. It has that premium cold metal feel that made it stand out for years and honestly still makes it feel modern even today. The Paper Pure takes a very different direction, prioritizing a more practical and durable design philosophy. It swaps the aluminum body for a softer matte finish made with 38% recycled plastic, while also introducing an asymmetrical grip along the left side to make one-handed use more comfortable. Even though it is slightly thicker at 6mm, the new material helps keep the weight down to around 360 grams. But the biggest shift in the new design is how the device is actually assembled. The Paper Pure moves away from the adhesive-heavy construction that most modern tablets use. Instead, it relies much more on a snap-and-screw structure with visible, exposed screws around the back. That approach makes the device significantly easier to open and repair compared to the reMarkable 2, which could end up helping long-term durability and repairability quite a bit. There's a trade-off though, because some early impressions mention the new construction feels slightly less dense and more hollow when tapped compared to the solid aluminum body of the reMarkable 2. Early reviewers have also pointed out that the recycled plastic back can become a fingerprint magnet pretty quickly. And if you were hoping for biometric security, neither device includes a fingerprint scanner, with both tablets still relying entirely on a standard 4-digit PIN. On the display side, both tablets stay focused entirely on black and white digital ink without adding a front light. However, the Paper Pure upgrades things with a newer 3rd generation 10.3-inch canvas display built on e-ink Carta 1300 technology. The writing experience is highly responsive with a blazing fast 21 millisecond latency, and the Pure also uses the exact same longer-lasting nibs found on the higher-end Paper Pro models, helping the writing feel remain consistent even during long sessions. Under the hood is where the biggest generational jump starts becoming obvious. The reMarkable 2 originally launched with much older hardware, including 1GB of RAM and only 8GB of storage. The Paper Pure upgrades that with a new 1.7GHz processor, 2GB of RAM, and a huge jump to 32GB of storage. In real-world use, that translates to smoother navigation, faster page refreshes, and a noticeably snappier overall experience compared to the older model. Battery life also gets a boost thanks to a larger 3,820 mAh battery, pushing usage out to a full 3 weeks, depending on how heavily you use it. On the software side, the Paper Pure continues leaning heavily into reMarkable's distraction-free ecosystem. It supports Google and Outlook calendar integration, AI handwriting search, and browser extensions that let you send articles and web pages directly to the tablet for reading later. The overall experience still feels intentionally minimal, but these integrations make the device much more useful in everyday workflows without turning it into a traditional tablet overloaded with apps and notifications. The accessory situation is also changing quite a bit. Starting at $399, the Paper Pure drops support for the Snap-on Type Folio keyboard entirely, making this a much more handwriting focused product compared to the older reMarkable 2 setup. Instead, reMarkable introduced a new structured sleeve style folio that fully encloses both the tablet and the Marker Plus, helping protect the stylus while traveling instead of leaving it exposed along the side. So while the reMarkable 2 still makes sense for users who rely heavily on keyboard typing with the Type Folio, the Paper Pure feels like the more refined evolution of reMarkable's original vision. You get faster hardware, quadruple the storage, a newer e-ink display, improved repairability, and an even more paper-like writing experience while still keeping the same distraction-free philosophy that made the reMarkable 2 so popular in the first place. At the same time though, it does feel a little strange that reMarkable completely dropped Type Folio support here. Because once the reMarkable 2 disappears from stores, users looking for a more affordable reMarkable tablet with keyboard support basically won't have an option anymore unless they move up to the more expensive Paper Pro ecosystem. Do you think dropping the Type Folio was a mistake, or is the Pure better off as just a digital notebook? Let me know in the comments. Peace.